I cannot stop smiling because of the house and like while beholding this really incredible view. So we already finished painting all of the house. I would say that more security for me, and yes, I did. And it has been my initial plan. I decided to use the same tiles is because it is actually rough. And to be honest, I'm feeling already more secured, which is such a big thing for me since I'm such a scary cat. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. It is a misty morning here in the countryside. It is very foggy. You cannot even see the mountains. But today I'm going to give you guys a quick little house update. What has been finished already, and actually the house is already finished, and I would have to say that this is the best Christmas gift that I have ever received yet. So yeah, that was December 25th that the house has been finished, like exactly on the day of Christmas, and I'm so grateful and I'm so happy as well. But before we go to the official house tour, guys, I'm just going to give you a quick update about what has been finished so far, because I couldn't give you guys a house tour yet, since the inside is not totally finished. Like, I still have to do some decors a bit so that it would look nice. Before we begin though, please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start. So we are pretty much doing this video early in the morning. It's like 7 a.m. right now. The reason for that is because I'm trying to adjust with my sister's availability because she is my videographer. And it is raining all night last night, and yeah, that's why it is very muddy. But the first update that I'm going to share you guys, it's actually the terrace. Now here is the terrace right now. Let's try to get inside first. So as you guys can see, this is like the main entrance of the house. So here it is. It's like a full length of like a door that is needed to be here. But I am actually thinking to just put like half, like a door, so that the dogs cannot get inside. I'm gonna try to do that later on. As you guys can see, we have these little walls all around the terrace. And yeah, come on, let's get in. So we already have the tiles installed. So these tiles is actually the same tiles as what I have in the toilet. And yes, I decided to use the same tiles is because it is actually rough, and I love the design of it. And I definitely need a rough tile for our terrace, guys, because this terrace can get wet because it's not really like fully covered like with walls and stuff. So we need to have like a rough tile so that if water gets inside, we won't be slipped. So yeah, the design that I did, thanks Scarlett for turning on the lights. So the design that we have in our terrace, guys, it's like these wood that we have. This is the 2x2 wood that I decided to put all around the terrace. And to be honest, my initial plan is to make it hardy flex. And I was like thinking, I think it would look a lot better if I'm gonna like make it like this. I saw this inspiration on Pinterest. That's why yeah, I decided to make it like this, and it actually went well. I love how it turned out, and I'm so happy. Even the builder, he actually said that it looks better to have the terrace like this. So that's why yeah, I'm happy about it. And also, again, the size of the terrace, guys, is I think 20 by 8 feet. So it is really big, I would have to say. If we are going to cut it in half, we can still make this like a room and have a bed in here and, you know, have some people sleep in the stairs if we just have a full wall all around it. But yeah, I just love it. And the reason why I decided to make it big is because I love like family gatherings and stuff. Anyway, it's still a bit messy here on the side. I have here the tank, and I still have some paint left and some tiles left, but I'm gonna try to sort them out later on. And then, guys, here in the terrace we do have 2 lights. Actually, it has been turned on right now. And then we also have the ceiling, and yeah, I super love how the terrace turned out. I mean, yeah, it makes me so happy, and it's actually so nice to stay around here when at night, especially during Christmas, we were here, and it's very good good because it's very cold. So yeah, if we have like big gatherings like for the family, because in the kitchen area we only have like 4 chairs that can dine in. So yeah, I am planning to have like a long table here, and also like some chairs and stuff, so that we can like all dine in like in one table, you know what I mean? I've been giggling because like on the 25th my house has been finished, and it was like the best thing ever. All right, so we are done with the terrace, and then the next thing that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is going to be the window. So come on, let's go outside. Alright guys, so now we are here in our window. This is like one of the latest update that I'm going to be sharing you guys as well. The window has been finished like since way back, but the only update is actually the grills. Now a lot of you has been commenting to really put the grill for extra security, more security for me, and yes I did, and it has been my initial plan as well to really put grills because this kind of blades or jealousy, it's not really that secure, to be honest. Like you can literally just remove the blades and like you can get in. So yeah, I'm so happy that we have the grills on. And if you guys can remember on my previous video, someone in the background was actually doing the grills. It was quite funny when I was like editing it. The guy was like doing the welding for the grills. But yeah, anyway, he also put it up last 24 before the house has been finished. And if you guys are going to ask me how much it costs for the grill, I did not have my builder to do the grill because he doesn't have a welding machine. So I hired another person to do the grill. So actually each of the grill costs 2,500 peso. That's like 50 US dollars. So I do have 5 windows. So that's about 12,500. And yeah, the design is actually mine. I sent him the design that I wanted. So you can pretty much customize, or you can ask him, or you can send him like whatever design you would like, and then they're going to make it for you. And yeah, I'm quite happy how it turned out. And then I decided to paint it black since the blinds or like the jealousy is also black. And yeah, I think it worked pretty well since the wall is white. I would have to say that this house is actually like a white house. Now here we are going to go here on the kitchen area. So as you guys can see, it has been finished as well. That's how it's looking. And one of the biggest update of the house, guys, is actually the painting. So we already finished painting all of the house. I would say the inside, well, you guys know that it has been painted already, and here on the outside as well, everything has been finished. So we're going to try to roam around here in the back, see how it's looking. The sun is trying to come out now. So yeah, here it is. This is how the back is looking, guys. So yeah, as you guys can see, I also put like the grill here on the kitchen area so that no one can get up there, you know what I mean? So yeah, it has been painted like that. And we have here like the back door. So yeah, we have here the back door. And also the initial plan is to put stairs here in the back door since it is a bit high if you're gonna try to like go down or go up. And I decided to not let the builder put stairs here because I'm thinking of like extending like a balcony here that will level the house. So we're gonna extend a balcony from here to like there. It's just like a small balcony because, to be honest, every time I wake up in the morning, like the first place I go here in the house is actually this area here, the back door. And I just like sit and like sip my milk since I don't drink coffee. And then just look at this like really beautiful view that we have. And I'm so happy for this. Like whenever I'm like thinking something or whatever, I just like sit down here and just like think through, and like while beholding this really incredible view. So yeah, next time, my next project for this house is going to be the extension of the balcony here, and I just need to save some money for that next project sooner or later. Slowly but surely we are gonna get there. So again, this is the toilet here in this area. It's fully painted as well. And then we are pretty much gonna go around the house so you guys can see how it is really looking. So here this is also like the toilet, and then here we are gonna come up in this is the room. This is my room. So sorry. As you can see, it's still very dusty because the builder was doing the plastering and yeah, the painting as well yesterday. So yeah, we have the grills here as well, and this is one of the things that I really wanted to put here in my room because my room is very important and this is where I sleep. So now that I have the grills on, to be honest, I'm feeling already more secured, which is such a big thing for me since I'm such a scary cat. So yeah, we have here the grills. I'm quite happy for that. And yeah, so let's go all around here. By the way, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you guys. How did you spend your Christmas? Let me know in the comment section down below. Scarlett is here. Say hi. Hi. She's shy. Alright, so yes guys, that's the current update of the house and I am incredibly happy. The next video that I'm going to be sharing with you guys about the house is, I think, going to be a province house tour or maybe some home decors because I need to go to the city to grab a few decors. I also want to put a hammock here in the terrace because I love hammock. So yeah, we're going to try to get that. And yeah. Alright guys, I want to show you how the house looks like from afar in the road area. So we're gonna go ahead and try to go there. My sister is my camera woman for today. So and also it's very muddy. Scarlett is like running around and not good. But like if you are going to look at the house from afar, like in the road area, it looks like a white house, to be honest, which I like. And well, my initial plan for the paint is going to be yellow, like the friendly yellow, but since it is quite pricey, it is really pricey guys, so I just decided to make it white. And also if there are like people on the road like driving and stuff, they always like try to look here in the house because I think because of its color, like you can literally see it in the road area. So yeah, as you can see, that's how the house is looking from afar here in the road area, and it literally is very white. It is super white. And I think I need to put like some decors that is also not white because it is definitely like a white house. But well, I'm happy about it. It's nice. It's my favorite color. And yeah, anyway, I cannot stop smiling because of the house. And like, I don't know, I cannot believe at the age of 26 I was able to have my own home, have my own house, and I wouldn't be able to do that without you guys, without you supporting me, without you watching my videos and interacting with me. So I am beyond grateful to be able to like build my own home. And yeah, anyway, before we get some tears down, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here guys. This is just going to be a really quick house update, what has been finished already, and I think you already guys will have an idea on how the house tour will look like, but I'm not gonna show you the inside yet because you guys can already tell. But that's the outside of the house, and the only stuff that I'm going to add is pretty much the decors, like the tables and the hammock and stuff. And yeah, I'm super excited to actually do the decors now that the house has been finished. And again, I'm so happy. Also, I know that a lot of you guys will also ask me how much did I really spend for the house. I am definitely going to be sharing that to you guys. I'm going to make a separate, totally separate video for that because I'm going to share like how much did I spend for the paint, how much did I spend for the grills, how much did I spend for the window, like the big bulk of the house, like the ceiling and stuff, and the labor as well, whatsoever, the electrical, and like those like big chunks of money that I was able to put in for the house to be finished. So I hope you guys are excited to watch that video. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are going to still support me the next year of 2021. I hope that we will have a brighter 2021. A lot of us are really suffering during this pandemic, and I'm really praying and hoping that the pandemic will be over. And anyway, stay safe guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.